Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, February the 9th, 2022. In this additional, we have 6 extra puzzles, and I won't do them all. Only 3 puzzles I will do. The Sudoku I have just solved, the binary I have just solved, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. And this Tectonic with 4 stars will be number 4104. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. 18 should be an easy one. I don't know why the publisher has published 4 stars, but we will see if this is really a 4 stars. I don't think so, 18, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10, 11 printed digits. Well, this one has 18. Cannot believe this. And I think maybe the publisher has switched this one with that one, because this one has only 15 printed digits and with 1 star, and this one has 4 stars. We will see. So let's get started. And before I start, let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have the dual boxes? Yeah, I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple box then. Do we have a triple box? Yeah, here. 1 triple box in this puzzle. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, but I do not know in which order. And when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Triple box, do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes then? No quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape here rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. Alright. Here we have a T shape. We have a T shape here. This one. When you see a T shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Let me draw the L shape. Here we have an L shape. When you see an L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Oh, wait. Before I continue, this box has the same number as that box. Next figure. This figure. How about this figure? Alright. This figure, when you see this kind of figure or shape, when you see the shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. I know this number is a 5. Let me explain this later. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3. 3 out of 6. Yes. We have more of these kinds of shapes or figures. I believe there are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then it's easy. That's the following step. The following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is reserved for the 4 or a 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Well. I've told you this box cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3. But also it cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. And this box is connected with that box. If I place a 4 here, we have a double 4 then. So it cannot be a 4. Should be a 5. Yeah, should be a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box I've marked with the 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 2 and double 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Need a 2 here. Let me think. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 5. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, 1, 3. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, could be a 2, but if I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, could be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, okay. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Okay. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2, it goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Okay, a 2 and a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. Let me see. Almost finished. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you, 18 digits cannot be a 4 stars Sudoku or a 4 stars puzzle, because for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more, and I've solved this in 30 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. Publisher, we need more hard ones, not good with the indication of the difficulty level. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. See you then.